बेळगाव शहरातील टिळकवाडी स्थित बीजेपीएस समिती संचलित एम.व्ही. हेरवाडकर इंग्लिश मीडियम हायस्कूल प्राथमिक विभाग भाग्यनगर बेळगाव यांचे वार्षिक स्नेहसंमेलन मधुरंग 2025 मंगळवार दिनांक 30 डिसेंबर 2025 रोजी खानापूर रोड टिळकवाडी येथील मराठा मंदिर मंगल कार्यालयात अत्यंत उत्साहात आणि जल्लोषाच्या वातावरणात संपन्न झाले. कार्यक्रमाचे उद्घाटन मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते दीपप्रज्वलन करून करण्यात आले. यावेळी कार्यक्रमाच्या प्रमुख पाहुण्या म्हणून नामवंत वास्तुविशारद पद्मा संगोळी या उपस्थित होत्या. आपल्या मनोगतात त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या आत्मविश्वासपूर्ण सादरीकरणाचे, कलात्मक अभिव्यक्तीचे तसेच शाळेच्या सर्वांगीण विकासात्मक दृष्टिकोनाचे विशेष कौतुक केले. लहान वयातच विद्यार्थ्यांना व्यासपीठ उपलब्ध करून देणे हे त्यांच्या व्यक्तिमत्व विकासासाठी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे असल्याचे त्यांनी नमूद केले.
Special greetings to my colleague teachers who are present here, as I am your colleague in profession, as I am also a teacher in GIT, and more so ever, a natural teacher as a mother of 2 children. Being a mother gives us an opportunity to become a natural teacher by instinct. A mother's instinct is the same all over the world. So mothers are the prime teachers. I salute the teachers in all the mothers who are here in front of me. And now, a big hello to my dear friends, the VVIPs of the day. You, the young ones, are the special people present here today. And I'm happy to see the beaming faces of you all. I was overwhelmed with the welcome I received at the gate, and also to see the great achievers whom we felicitated today. At the onset, I would like to thank Mrs. Ashwini for the brief introduction she gave. Welcome, my amazing learners, to a super fun day of discovering new things in the annual day. I know annual day is the most awaited day for all the children in any school. It's full of excitement. Every day we learn something new, like reading, stories, numbers as kids, and later the basic principles of nature, the magic of speech, the magic of numbers, and the magic of science. The magic of nature, numbers, and words are your superpowers. These, the way the children, I could see them here, I'm sure you all are superpowers of tomorrow. The small little ones of first standard, your real superpower is knowing your parents' name, the address, and their phone numbers. So this helps you to contact them at any time whenever you're in a problem or you're lost. It's a secret code to stay safe in today's society. And I'm sure your parents and teachers will help you in this. Apart from learning, your real strength is in curiosity. Your strength is your curiosity. Be it in early small classes or even kindergarten to the later years in life, please bombard your teachers with a number of questions, continuous questions, because these curiosities will help you to find amazing answers which are not found in books. So go beyond learning through books. Be kind to your friends, share your toys, help each other, and you will make friends for lifetime in your school life. Today, you all read about heroes from your history, from your sports, from your silver screen. But you, my dear friends, adorning this hall, are the real superheroes of tomorrow. You will all grow to become great humans, good teachers, good doctors, and great scientists, engineers, and lawyers, etc. You're the real future of our nation.
Students are like a box of crayons, each one unique, but together they create a beautiful picture. Every class is a blend of talents, and teachers play an important role in nurturing and molding these young minds. Child matters most. This is the motto of M.V. Herwadkar English Medium Primary School. Children learn through observations, exploration, hands-on activities, craft, puzzles, sand play, and interactive experiences. Festivals are celebrated so that they are rooted to our culture. Our school also hosted an inter-school competition, Madhu Parv, where students from various schools participated enthusiastically and showcased their talents in multiple events. We also conduct Olympiad exams to strengthen students' academic skills, logical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. Our teachers have attended various workshops and training programs to upgrade their skills and stay updated with modern teaching methods, ensuring high-quality learning experiences for our students. Sports are conducted to tap their physical capacity. Student-centered activities make students and parents feel happy to come to school without fear and grow into a healthy individual.
या स्नेहसंमेलनात चिमुकल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी सादर केलेल्या नृत्य, नाट्य, गीत, समूह नृत्य आणि विविध सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमांनी उपस्थितांची मने जिंकली. रंगीबेरंगी वेशभूषा, तालबद्ध हालचाली, निरागस भावभावना आणि आत्मविश्वासपूर्ण सादरीकरणामुळे संपूर्ण सभागृह मंत्रमुग्ध झाले होते. प्रत्येक सादरीकरणातून विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सुप्त कलागुणांचा तसेच शिक्षकांच्या सातत्यपूर्ण मार्गदर्शनाचा सुंदर प्रत्यय येत होता. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या उत्कृष्ट आणि मनमोहक सादरीकरणाला उपस्थित पालक व पाहुण्यांकडून टाळ्यांच्या कडकडाट आणि भरभरून दाद मिळाली. अनेक पालकांनी आपल्या भावना व्यक्त करत विद्यार्थ्यांच्या प्रगतीबद्दल आणि शाळेच्या उपक्रमांबद्दल समाधान व्यक्त केले. या यशस्वी स्नेहसंमेलनामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांचा आत्मविश्वास अधिक बळकट झाला असून त्यांच्या शैक्षणिक, सांस्कृतिक व व्यक्तिमत्व विकासासाठी शाळा सातत्याने प्रयत्नशील असल्याचे पुन्हा एकदा अधोरेखित झाले.
Good afternoon, everyone. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Hundreds of hands have come together to make this event a grand success. No help is small, everyone matters. I take this privilege of expressing my gratitude to all those who toiled hard to make Madhurang a success. I first of all thank today our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Padma Sangori ma'am, for spending her valuable time with us. I thank all the management members of the BJPS Samiti for their sheer presence and their support. I thank our beloved principal, Shobha Kulkarni madam, and for her unshaken support throughout the event. I extend my heartfelt thanks to PTA members for their help. Last but not the least, the teaching members. Within a short span of time, they have put up such a grand program. I'm really thankful to them. With all the selection of the song, dresses, everything within just in 15 days. That was really incredible. I'm really thankful to them. And also, I thank the students also. For 15 days, we have made them dance like anything, practice. And also the parents for their support in preparing all the props for us. Also, parents have also played an important role here. So all of them have really helped this to make this function a grand success. Now, I'll request all of you to stand up for the national anthem.
एकूणच मधुरंग 2025 हे स्नेहसंमेलन केवळ कार्यक्रमापुरते मर्यादित न राहता चिमुकल्यांच्या प्रतिभेला मिळालेली दाद, संस्कृती आणि शिक्षणाचा सुंदर संगम, आनंद, उत्साह आणि अभिमानाचा अविस्मरणीय क्षण ठरले. या प्रसंगी विद्यार्थ्यांचे पालक, शिक्षक वृंद व नागरिकांची मोठ्या संख्येने उपस्थिती लाभली.